everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send messages in Instagram threads. So if you also want to send messages in Instagram threads, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch Open Threads application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Threads application has been opened. Make sure you logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. From this interface, you'll be able to explore the threads posted by other people. So if you want to send the message in Instagram threads, it is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is open the profile of the person to whom you want to send the message. You can simply tap on the profile from the home interface. Or you can also search for the person if you want. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to search for the person. Tap on the search bar. Now you'll be able to search like this. After you find the profile of the person, simply tap on that. Now you can see over here the profile of that particular person will be opened. So if you want to send the message, it is not possible through the Threads app. For that, what you have to do is tap on the Instagram icon that you can see at the top. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. The profile of that person will open up in Instagram. Now what you have to do is tap on the message option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, the message box will be opened. From here, you'll be able to message the person. You can see the message bar at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to type the message. Simply type the message. Now hit the send button. After that, you'll be able to send the message to that person. So that is how you send messages in Instagram threads. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.